Hi everybody, it's Andrea from Service Department in Sanremo Coffee Machine Headquarters. Today I'm gonna introduce you our newcomer on the market, U Machine Single Group Pad Semi-Professional Machine. By factory setup, you're going to increase the pressure by moving the pedal from the right side to the left side of the machine. Otherwise, you can enter on the dedicated menu and activate the reverse function. As soon as you start an extraction with pedal, you can swipe 4 different pages. You can have a real-time track graph of the pressure and even a graph related to the flow. As soon as you have finished your extraction, you can click in the star to save the recipe. So later the machine will be able to replicate what you did manually before. Now the machine has been correctly installed. All parameters have been adjusted, so let's try to pull a shot with our pedal.